Today we're going to practice dividing with two-digit divisors. Here is the first problem. We have 270 divided by 18. So when we look at this, we know that 18 can't go into 2. 18 has to go into 27. So I have to think to myself, can 18 go into 27? What happens if I double 18? Well, if I come over here and do some math, and I see 18 times 2, 8 times 2 is 16. 2 times 1 is 2, plus 1 is 3, 36. Well, that's too big, so I know that for my first digit, I have 18 times 1 going into 27. Now I have to subtract. So we're going to subtract 8 from 17. We'll get 9. Next, that's right, bring down the 0. Now you have to ask yourself, how many times will 18 go into 90? Well, if 18 times 2 is 36, and I double that, that'll be roughly 60 something. So I'm almost there. I'm going to try 5 because I'm not quite sure. 18 times 5, let's see, 8 times 5 is 40. 5 times 1 is 5, plus 4 is 9. Oh, look at that. It's a 5. 5 times 18 is 90. Do the subtraction, and we're finished. One of the key things you need to keep in mind is making sure you're lining up your digits. So let's try another problem. The second problem is going to be 143 divided by 11. Okay, so you can pause the video at any time to check and see if you are doing it correctly. Maybe you want to do it ahead of time and then watch me solve it. Here's my first go. So 11 can't go into 1. I'm just going to put a little 0 there. 11 can go into 14. That'll go just one time. I know that 1 times 11 is 11. So now I have to subtract. I have a 3 here. I have a 0 there. I have to bring down this 3 because I'm not quite done yet. 11 goes into 33 3 times. 3 times 11, 33. I lined things up carefully, and now I'm finished. Take your time, line things up carefully. Don't be afraid to guess and check. That'll get you there. If you don't have a place to start with a 2. Start by doubling your divisor. Maybe start by 5. That'll tell you if you need to go higher or lower. Anyway, dividing with two-digit divisors, you're going to do great.